his age and his wealth and the source of it at the end of the day, it's something you cannot wish away.
Oh, can I go on with that?
Please go ahead.
Okay, now, are you his father or mother?
I definitely am not.
So what's the controversy about his age?
I am a journalist and I'm speaking on behalf of the people, and I'm trying to find out
what
from
is
you
the controversy
about his age and even his health. We've seen
hold on, you are running away now, one by one now.
They say he has different...
There must be, you must say that, okay. Oh, I have a father, I have a mother. What is the controversy?
At different times, there have been different ages
from
the candidate.
No, where?
They talk about his children who are old enough.
No, which one?
For instance, the Yaloja of Lagos.
She's 40-something.
Wikipedia.
40-something.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yes.
When you say...
No, Wikipedia has been edited over and over, and it was shut down by Wikipedia. So it was mischievous for doing that.
How old is he?
So you can see now that he's 70.
70?
Yes.
Your candidate is 70. Okay,
yes.
great. I want to
so hold on. We are going to the next one now.
Yes.
We have settled that there's nowhere there was a 2 certificate, 2 affidavit, 2 anything. I'll put that to rest today. Let's go to the next one.
Thank you so much. Can it be said that Keyamo, the Minister for Aviation, is a professional liar? You know, it's like some people earn a living by packaging falsehood, by criminal deceit, by lying. Is that how to earn a living? There's no controversy about Tinubu's age. There's no controversy. He's 70 years. There's no controversy. Only one date of birth. There's no controversy. All lies. Senior advocate. I don't know why the ethics and privileges will not review the position of this man as senior advocate. No honor, no dignity, no integrity. This is so sad. This is so sad. Festus Keyamo, you garbage rubbish at any point in time. You say things that are meaningless. It's so unfortunate. When you play back all the trash that comes out of Festus Keyamo's mouth, all lies. Somebody of that level, the medicine advocate, at least you try to carry yourself a little bit higher to convince people that the ethics and privileges do not make mistake, that you deserve to be a senior advocate. There's a little bit of honor. Just talk like somebody who lives under the bridge. There's no controversy about Tinubu's age. Just one date of birth, one day, no controversy. But the reality on ground, which he knows. 1950, 1952, 1954, one man. And it may be even far below that. What a tragedy. Let us share this video and tell Festus Keyamo, carry yourself with dignity. Festus Keyamo, respect yourself. Stop making mockery of that position, that privilege to be a senior advocate of Nigeria. Stop making mockery of it. Some of these things should be reviewed. It's not something you give to every Dick, Tom and Harry. It should be given to men and women who deserve it, who work for it. Men with character, men of learning, men with learning, proved. Men of tremendous integrity. Men that command understanding. So they should take a second look at Festus Keyamo. The way he talks, the type of things he garbage out, meaningless. Ethics and Privileges Committee should do something. Festus Keyamo should not be seen as a professional liar that knows the truth but pretends and misinform people, distort information, distort the facts, and garbage it out. No, it's not proper. Let us share this video and subscribe to this channel. We must speak truth to power. That is the will of God. It's a divine assignment. That is the heartbeat of God, because God lives in truth.
Talking of age, have you settled age?
You have said he's 70 years.
Next
Fine.
one,
So
next one.
his credentials.
What's the credential?
Do you think that's a controversy or not?
The Chicago State University have written that he went there and he graduated with what is equivalent to a first class.
Okay.
What's the controversy there?
Okay. Why you say?
Let me also tell you something that the younger ones don't know. Let me tell you something that somebody don't know. They said, what is the primary school upon which somebody can attend before he goes to secondary school? For the younger ones, we want to let them know that that is a virtue, not a vice. In those days, great men today, they wrote GC from home. Not everybody in those days went to the four walls of the schools, of secondary schools. I'll mention names. One of the greatest lawyers this country has ever produced that has the best university today, Afe Babalola, he did not get formal education in the four walls of his school. Afe Babalola. Right. Great men all over the world. So it is a virtue, not a vice. I want to tell you that. So that's done and dusted. Next one.
The controversies are on ending because
I'm resolving them one by one now. I'm resolving them one by one. You are the one playing it all. I'm giving you answers.
Festus, we're having a conversation.
No, but I'm telling you that you are the one playing it all.
Really.
Because people, let me tell you there, people just take stories out of social media and regurgitate them on networks like this. Regurgitating on social media.
We're not talking about social media reports.
No, most of this is social media.
In 1999, when he was running, the certificates that he dropped and right now, and the forms that he did submit right now to run for president, the certificates, there's discrepancy there that have been noticed.
Chicago State University.
That wasn't submitted in 1999.
Okay. Which one did he submit?
Where's the primary?
I just explained that to you now.
You're confirming to us that he didn't go to a primary school. Is that what you're saying?
He did not reveal it, but I'm just telling you that he did not reveal it. But I'm telling you that in those days, you don't have to go. You don't have to. They read and pass GC from home. Great men do.
And secondary school?
Great men. Yeah, that's secondary school. That's GC now.
Yeah.
Yes, they pass it from home.
Okay. Or they pass it from home?
Yes, okay. Great men do. Okay. And it's a part of it in fact, it is one of the virtues that you use to know great men. So that they read,
that they don't go to school,
that they read from home. They read and dug in and burnt the midnight oil from home.
Okay, we are almost running out of time, Honorable Minister. So you can confirm that Bola Tinubu does have certificates for his primary, secondary, university. Is that what you're saying? Yes, no?
He has. Yes.